So over here, now we have switched back to the Windows screen. And as you can see, it is exactly the same interactive screen, just like the Windows, which you use on your laptops. So on the Windows, we do have the whiteboard, which is over here. Just click it. It's a similar kind of whiteboard which you can see from the Android. It has the options of changing the colors. So this is the preview panel which shows me how many number of pages are currently open and how many number of pages you have loaded. To add on more pages, simply click over here and add this plus sign. So now I have added the 5th page as well. In this sign, you can choose your choice of the background color which you want, and also the patterns are available. So this is a similar to the Android whiteboard what you can see. Now over here we have the similar options. I'm selecting this pen tool. So in this pen tool we have 10 options, and the first one is smooth pen option, where you can just write down choosing your choice of colors. Secondly is the intelligent pen. It can detect all the shapes. Third, this is the highlighting pen. For example, if you want to highlight any particular thing. Okay. So third is the laser pen. Laser pen is something where if you want a particular area, a particular word to be highlighted. So I'm choosing this color and I just want to highlight this. So it will give out the blinking effect. It will give out the lasering effect so that your attention goes to this particular word. Second is the brush tool. Brush tool is something which you can use it if you want to do some kind of a painting or something. So literally it appears like chalkboard, what you can use it on the chalk which you can use actually on the board. Okay, so this is the bamboo pen. So the bamboo pen has varieties of the tips of the nib of the pen. So you can have a different option. This is the oval shape where you can use it in a calligraphic format as well. Okay. So we have this eraser option where if I choose the last option, it will clear the whole board. The other features are similar. This is the predefined shape tool where there are different shapes available: line, triangle, oval, square, rectangle, dash line. So in eraser, I'm just erasing out the whole thing. So over here, I have the different geometrical options as well, where along with the ruler and a protractor, I have this option of rounder as well. And I am selecting the radius, what I want. And there is this small red dot over here. Just click this thing. And your perfect circle is ready. With the scale, I have this option of drawing the straight lines. And all these different geometrical set squares where I can utilize it. So we also have the option of inserting the images. Over here, there is this option available: text, image, and all this thing. This is the image option. So I'm browsing and I'm selecting the image. Over here as well, you can just select and put the label on the images. So if you want to share the video, that option is also available. So this is the video which can also be played simultaneously along with the image or GIF file, and you can write down your notes accordingly. You can label it on the video also. So over here we have this option of spotlight as well. This is the spotlight. So this is the spotlight option. What particular area, if I want to select, I can just move it around the particular area. Increase and decrease the opacity of the spotlight over here. So this is where I want the spotlight to be. So I have selected this. I'm zooming in and zooming out. So this is the one feature of the spotlight. Also, now we have this feature of magnifying. So I want to magnify something, I want to enhance something. So this is where I will use it. You can select the focus, zoom in, zoom out. Depending upon your requirements. Next, so we have different options available over here. We have the calculator, we have the keyboard, we have stop timer, which we all know. So now over here, the special feature is we have the 3D option. Have the different shapes. So this is the cube. If I want to teach about all the spherical shapes and the cubical shapes, this is the best option. Also, I can fill the color. So you can change the shape. This is the rectangle, this is spherical, oval. You have different sides of the triangle. Where you have this different option. Okay. So we also have the option of a screen recording. If I want to record the session or my lecture and I want to share it further, then this option is also available where I can record the whole screen or just the particular tab and share it with the student. So also we have visualization tools, which is over here. You can have the zoom in option where if you want to zoom into a particular image and zoom out on the particular image, you can rotate. You can even have the full screen option available. Okay, and also if you want to take a photographs. So the same thing will be uploaded onto your whiteboard and you can exit it from here. So this is the visualization option. So I'm selecting a new page and in this page, I will explain you the different subjects. So over here, we have the integrated subjects like maths, physics and chemistry, and we have the tools related to the subject. For example, in chemistry, if you see, I have all the different options. If I'm selecting this, I can increase or decrease the size. I can move it. Also, I can add the different features. Like, for example, if I want to add this beaker, this fire thing. Yeah. So if I want to put anything, this is the full screen mode. Over here, there is this button where it will help you to do the full screen. So over here with liquid, you can choose the color of the liquid. You can choose the quantity of the liquid. If I'm selecting, for example, mathematics. So I'll get all the tools related to the maths like plane figure, functional graphics. Okay, so I can increase, decrease. So whatever the subject you are choosing, physics, chemistry, maths, you can get the option over here which have the integrated functional figure as well as the plane figures, physics. So on physics, we have all these different options. For example, if I want to put any scale for this thing, weight scales or anything, it can be done. Yeah. I can increase or decrease the size of the weight. To select, you just need to tap on this and simply adjust it according to your experiment. And also, if you want to have a quick replay, instead of explaining them all together repeatedly or at once, I'll simply click this replay option where the replay will happen of what all activities which I have done. And over here, you can choose to increase or decrease the speed. I can pause it in between and explain it. I can resume the play or I can decide to stop the play. So this is the replay option, which is very new and unique, and it will save lots of time, and also it will help the students to concentrate and for the revision purposes as well. So we have a unique feature of on-screen annotations, where if I'm clicking the annotations, this floating toolbar appears, and you can write it on the screen as well as also you can also open up your Google Chrome and select any video of your choice. If I want to focus on a particular thing on the video, if I want to write anything, I can write it while the video is still working.